Welcome. If you've ever searched for groups on Facebook and later wanted to revisit those searches, you might be wondering where to find this history, especially with Facebook's latest updates. Whether you're tracking your favorite communities or trying to join a group you discovered earlier, today I'll walk you through the steps to find your searched group's history on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged in to your Facebook account on your computer. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This opens a short menu with different options to manage your account. Next, in that menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. Once it expands, choose Settings. This takes you into a new page with a range of options to control your Facebook experience, from privacy controls to account management features. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, look for the Activity Log option and click on it. The Activity Log is like your personal record of everything you've done on Facebook, including posts, likes, and, yes, groups you've searched for. Inside the Activity Log, scroll until you find the section labeled Your Groups You've Searched For. Click to open it. Here, you'll see a list of the groups you've previously searched for. This makes it super easy to rediscover intriguing communities you checked out before, or revisit searches you might have forgotten about. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can revisit your search history for groups, making it much easier to stay connected with the communities you care about. If you found these steps helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials on navigating new social media updates. Thanks for watching, and good luck exploring your favorite Facebook groups.